Hi, it's Mark, RPM Tesla Aftermarket Accessories. We're really excited today to show off the Tesla Model 3 USB hub. Now this is the hub that sits against the firewall on the back of your front center console. We're going to show you the benefits of it, how it fits, and up till now there's only been one company making these, one or two, but now everybody has one, so we decided to carry this one. Again, this is for the Model 3. This is two versions we're going to have. This will say 2017 through 2020 of June, and then it'll say Model Y or Model 3s after June of 2020. This is because the USB ports changed underneath. So let's explain this really quick and get it out of the way. All Model 3s were made with two USB-A plugs from December of 2017 through May of 2020. After 2020, they went to the free wireless charging pad, and they went to the USB-C on the left and the USB-A on the right. So this is designed, this model, for the dual USB-A ports. Same two ports that are on the back of the armrest and the back seat. Okay, so anyway, we'll have both choices on the website. This will be available only until about mid-August, and then we're going to have the USB-C, which will fit all Model Ys. Let's take a look at what you get in the box. It's very, very simple. Just one bag, a nice piece of sponge to protect the USB male ends. So this is USB-A, of course. The USB-C will have a USB-C on this side and the USB-A. That will fit Model Y. But once again, it's not available yet. But this is the front of the hub. It's a great hub. It's got a USB-A's, USB-C's, and the hidden door. So when you press on the door, which is magnetic, it opens up, and inside you've got two more plugs. So you could plug in a solid-state drive or a USB thumb drive. So our SanDisk pre-formatted thumb drive, which we use for Century Mode recordings, just simply plug it into the slot like this. You also could plug in a music drive, any USB-A where you've got data on it, where you're listening to music. So the hub area or the storage area is really nice. Also, it cleans up the wires underneath, which we're going to explain more in detail. So after you've got that plugged in there and you've removed it from down below, just simply put on the hub cover and plug it in. So now we're just going to plug in these two USB-A male ends into the female ends. So we'll go down here and show you how you do it. Now, when you're lining it up, obviously you can't see it, so you're going to feel it. So you just move it up and down like this, and it sits right on this ledge, which is lit up really good so you can see that. So it sits right on this ledge, and when you're on the ledge, it just pushes in. So this is your alignment sitting on this little step. I'll pull it out one more time, show everybody. Get my hands out of here. So inside of our center consoles, we've got a step inside. This one's really dirty, sorry. But this is where you put it. So just take the hub. You can plug your thumb drives in after or before. Move it forward and down. Once it's down, just plug it in. So now it has power to it. These have power. And you can notice up here that our thumb drive up on the top, where the Century Mode, everything is good. Now you also could plug in a music drive. Some people like their music on real high bit transfer rates, so you have one more drive underneath. Anyway, it's just a really nice idea because it hides the thumb drive from sticking outward, which uses up a lot of space. So remember, this is how we open it, close it. And now let's talk about the other stick, the other drives. So the USB-A right here is used for wireless charging. So you would plug this in on the top, and that's for the left side. This is for the right side. So basically, the USB hub splits these two plugs into 6. So that's what everyone needs to understand. It's a 2 in the 6 mode. So you've got 2 USBs, 2 USB-As, and 2 more USB-As in the lower compartment. So that's why it's called the hub. So now when you open and close your center console, it's very clean. The wires are hidden, somewhat pressed behind. And if you have our center console tray that fits in here, it's real nice because it fits in this area, so you still have access, but you've got all the wires cleaned up and your thumb drive is hidden. So that's it. Now shipping in stock, USB AA version only. USB-C and A for Model Y is coming out in a few weeks. Thanks again, RPM Tesla. Note, if you've purchased any of our full-size trays, which fit down inside, the hub is not compatible with it. So if you bought our big full-size tray, which fits right down inside of here, this is not compatible with this. Only our half-size tray. So we'll put a picture of both right here so you know that the half-size works, the full-size does not. Thank you.